What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. If you're into tech or anything like that, this is not the video for you today. This is going to be the last video actually that's going to be non-related to tech or like a vlog. But today's video is going to be mainly for the people that watch me for drums. I created a new channel. I guess I'm just going to get right into it. Excuse all the noise. I have my daughters riding around. And I'm also cooking wings. I will show you those in a second. But I created a second channel. It's called Drums Johnson Drummer. No, it's called Drum Cover. It's called Drum Cover Johnson Drummer. It's the same logo that I have on this channel except white. It's just reversed. So I do have a drum cover on there already. So make sure you guys check that out. You know what, maybe I should take that back. If you're into tech and you're at this channel for tech, you can continue to watch this video. It's mainly like a little vlog, Sunday vlog, I guess. But the whole purpose of this video is so all the drum people that used to watch my drum covers on this channel can now go to the channel. The link is down in the description, the first link. It's going to be actually the only link I think I'm going to put in the description. Go down there and subscribe to that channel. All the drum covers I'm going to do on that channel are going to be new. The one that's on there now that I edited today and I posted on there is brand new. Anyways, what I was getting at, my second channel will be down in the description. This channel from here on out will only be for tech stuff. The past year, all I posted was tech stuff anyway, but I've always felt like I had an obligation to post drum covers. And drum covers are easy. Well, they're fun to make. I mean, I play new songs about every week anyways, so why not record them? It takes literally an hour to edit. There's hardly no work in it. And just throw it up on the channel, which the channel is in the description, in case I didn't tell you already. I think I told you 4 times. But anyways, it just makes no sense not to do it. I'm playing drums anyway. I have GoPros, so why not just do that? So make sure you go down there and subscribe to that channel. It will be the same quality stuff you're used to from this channel. It will just be on that channel. And if it's a video that belongs to me, there will be no commercials, which is even better for you guys because there's no monetization on that channel. If you do want to support the channel, there will be links on that channel in the description. So that's the only way that channel will be monetized. So with that, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video on this channel and that channel. So head over there and hit subscribe. Thanks.